In this video, I'll guide you through how to forward email in Gmail. Forwarding emails is a simple but really useful feature, whether you're sharing information with a coworker, sending a receipt to your personal account, or passing along important details to a family member. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll feel confident forwarding any email you need. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in your inbox, take a moment to find the message you want to forward. This might be in your main inbox, or it could be in another folder like Sent, Starred, or even under a label you've created. When you've located the email, click on the subject line to fully open it. You want the message to be displayed on its own page rather than just in the preview pane so you can clearly see all the options. With the email open, look toward the bottom of the message. You'll see a few options like reply, reply all, and forward. The exact layout can vary slightly depending on your screen size, but the forward option is usually shown as a simple text link or button near the bottom right of the message area. Go ahead and click forward. As soon as you click forward, Gmail will create a new message window with the content of the original email copied into it. You'll notice that the subject line is usually prefixed with FWD to show that this is a forwarded message. Below the subject, you'll see the body of the email, often including the original sender information and any prior conversation history. At this point, you can scroll through and quickly review what you're about to send just to make sure everything looks right. Now it's time to choose who you want to forward the email to. Click into the To field at the top of the Compose window. Carefully type the recipient's email address. If this is someone you've emailed before, Gmail may suggest their address as you type, and you can click on it to save time. Take an extra second to double check the spelling of the address. Forwarding something to the wrong person can be awkward or even risky, depending on the content. Before you send, you can customize the forwarded message if you want. You might add a quick line above the original text to explain why you're forwarding it, such as sharing this for your reference or please see the details below. You can also remove any parts of the original email that aren't necessary, like long signature blocks or older parts of the thread, as long as you're not removing anything important that the recipient needs to see. Once you're happy with the recipient and the content, move your attention to the bottom of the Compose window and click the Send button. Gmail will send the forwarded email to the address you entered, just like any other message. That's all there is to it. You open the email you want to share, click Forward, enter the recipient's email address, and click Send. With this simple workflow, you can quickly pass along important information, keep others in the loop, and stay organized in your communication.